During the Second World War, Europe was under heavy attack. A lot of people had to evacuate their houses in fear of nightly bombardments. And that fear wasn't ungrounded. A few years after the war had ended, as a result of the post-war baby boom, a huge housing shortage arose and left the people looking for a new home. Because of the rise of new industrial technologies, it became possible to build large-scale apartment buildings in a short period of time. Especially in the outskirts of Brussels, the capital of Belgium, these residential buildings gave a home to thousands of people. However, throughout the years, these buildings have degraded to a point where they are in desperate need of renovation. Their infrastructure and technical installations have become outdated and the buildings no longer comply with the latest fire safety and thermal regulations. That's where we come in. By only removing the facade and using prefab elements, the inhabitants can remain in their home during the renovation. These elements allow for a lot of different configurations and flexibility in the future. We truly believe this solution can and will work for the renovation of the old high-rise apartment building.